Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix subscription syncing across devices in FaceApp. So if your subscription in this app isn't showing on all devices, it's almost always an Apple ID sync issue, not the app itself. So actually guys, you will need to make sure at first all devices use the same Apple ID, and this is the first cause or the top one cause. So on each device you will need to go to the phones or device settings just right here, and then go and tap on your name at the top. So now you will need to check the Apple ID email. Okay, so if one device is different, the subscription won't appear. And also guys, you will need to turn on sync purchases. So on each iPhone and iPad, just go to the settings of your device and then go with media and purchase or purchases. That's option. Okay, so once you tap it, you will need to sign out and then sign back in. So this forces the Apple to resync subscriptions. And also guys, you will need to use the restore purchases inside FaceApp. So here you will need on the device where it's not working to go and tap on the gear icon that's located at the top left corner. And here you will need to go and tap on restore purchase. So once you tap it, this pulls subscription data from the Apple servers. Also guys, I'd really advise to check the internet connection on both devices. So syncing requires a stable connection. So just go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid weak networks. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.